Hello, today we'll discuss about what Tableau offers. So Tableau is a firm which offers various tools, that is Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Desktop, Tableau Mobile, Tableau Reader and Tableau Public. So let's go straight into each tool and try to understand what all actually it helps to business, right? So let's talk about Tableau Server. So I think we'll start with Tableau Desktop first. So what is Tableau Desktop? Now we have to create reports based on the data which we have, right? And that is done using Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop has a functionality where we can connect to various data sources like Oracle, Teradata, Redshift, Big Data Hadoop and so on. So we can connect to any database and then get the data and try to create reports based on the business requirement. On the other side, Tableau Public is a freeware given by Tableau to the developers or maybe to the clients or to the future prospects so that they can go and log into the Tableau Public and try to create visualization and try to understand how Tableau works. So it's a freeware where people can go and create visualizations based on their requirement and try to understand the functionality of the tool, which is Tableau. There is always a limitations as compared to Tableau Desktop, and the limitations are I cannot connect to Tableau with the databases, I cannot integrate with R, I cannot integrate with Python, I cannot create extract in Tableau Public. These are some of the important limitations which is not there in Tableau Public but is there in Tableau Desktop. Our classes will always run on Tableau Public, but Tableau offers a 14 days of trial period for Tableau Desktop. So for extracts, for database connections, for our integration during that time of the course, we'll try to download the desktop free trial and then work on that. Then the next is Tableau Server. So once I created a Tableau reports, right, so I have to publish to the server so that multiple users can able to see the reports and do analysis on top of it. Suppose I am a small firm, I have one Tableau desktop license and one Tableau server license. So using that, I can help or enable users from in my company where they can come up with the visualizations like I am a developer, I am creating a report, I am publishing the report in the server. These users can come up with the insights from those reports. I just have to publish the reports and they can basically go to the Tableau server and come up with the insights out of that particular reports. So it's a central repository where all the dashboards are available and then users can log in and based on their own access they will come up with the insights and analyze the data. I will share some of the videos about Tableau Server where I have covered in detail about how Tableau Server works, how permissions and how extracts, subscription, all those things can be done. So a detailed Tableau Server's uh, training recordings are available. We'll share that with you guys. Tableau Online on other end is same as Tableau Server, but the hardware is not taken care by uh, the client. It is taken care by Tableau. It's like AWS and Microsoft Azure. Like the same way Tableau Online is maintained by Tableau itself. I just have to buy some space and based on that space Tableau will charge to me. And I can publish the reports and my company mates, my teammates, my firm managers, senior managers can log into Tableau Online and play around with the reports which I have published. Next is Tableau Mobile, where this is an app. I just have to connect to Tableau Server and I can play around with the reports. This Tableau Mobile app is available in iOS. This is not available in Android or any other operating systems in mobile. Tableau Reader, as name suggests, it helps to read the report. I will not able to edit the reports because it does not have that access. Tableau Reader is free software. I just download from Tableau website, and suppose I have created a report and I want to share it with one person who is not having Tableau desktop license. He or she can download that Tableau Reader and then open the report which I have created and play around with that. He or she can navigate the report, play around with the filters, try to come up with the insights, but not able to edit anything in the report because it is in a reader format. So these are the products overall covered by Tableau. And to install Tableau Public, we have this link https://public.tableau.com/n. You can download Tableau Public software. You have to create an account in Tableau Public. So what it does is once you create the visualization, it will ask you to save in the Tableau Public server. It is like a Tableau server which is publicly available and I can upload my visualization there. So I would suggest go and install Tableau Public, but never share your client's data there because it is publicly available, the reports. So if you create any visualization on our client's data and if you create in public, it will save in public server and that will be visible to the whole world. So better to create a visualization on the dummy data so that it will not impact your client as well as it will not impact you. So download Tableau Public. We'll cover this course using Tableau Public and then we'll proceed in the next class and talk about Tableau server architecture and Tableau scalability. Till then, happy analyzing.